To access our website, please type baei.gov.ph in the URL bar of your browser. This will take you to the official website of the Bureau of Animal Industry. To access the login page, click on the login button located on the right side of the website. This will redirect you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to log into your account. If you are accessing the website for the first time and don't have an account yet, click on the Register as New Client User button. This will redirect you to the registration form where you can fill in your details to create a new account. In the registration form, you can enter your desired username, which you will use to log into your account. Provide an active email address where a confirmation link will be sent. To activate your account, it's important to ensure that the username and email address you choose are not already registered in our database. The system will guide you if the username or email address is already taken by another user. For the password, you can create a strong one by including a combination of lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and at least one special character. The password should have a minimum of 8 characters. When your password meets the requirements, a 5-star indication will turn green, indicating the strength of your password. After filling up the registration form, click on the Register button to proceed. A notification will appear informing you that a confirmation link has been sent to the email address you provided. Please check your inbox for the email and click on the link to verify your account. If you cannot find the email in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder as it might have been filtered there. After completing the registration process, please check your email address that you used during registration. Open your email inbox and look for an email with the subject "Confirm email sent by the email address azurvices@mail.gov.ph." Click on the email to open it and follow the instructions provided to activate your account. Once you have successfully activated your account, you can return to the website and close the pop-up notification. This will allow you to click on the Already Have an Account link or simply click on the login button located in the upper right side of the website. By doing so, you will be redirected to the login page where you can enter your username and password to access your account. After successfully logging into your account, an Update Profile pop-up form will appear, allowing you to edit or fill out the profile form. Please note that updating your profile will require you to provide a live picture and a valid ID as part of our KYC Know Your Client process. Please ensure that you allow your browser to access your camera so that you can take a live picture of yourself. When choosing a client category, make sure to carefully read the description provided under each category. If you have already registered in the PhilSys or Philippine Identification System, select Yes and input your PhilSys number. If you haven't registered yet, select No. Complete all the required fields indicated by an asterisk. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click the Update button to save your data and update your profile. After successfully updating your profile, you will see the status section indicating updating. This means that your profile is still under your control and being updated. Additionally, there will be a reminder or message below stating, "Don't forget to submit your profile for verification." To submit your profile for verification, click on the Submit button located under your address on the left side, near the Log Off button. Once you click on the Submit button, it will allow the administrator to evaluate your account. Please be patient and wait for the administrator to process the evaluation. Once your account has been evaluated, the status in your profile page will change to reflect the outcome of the evaluation process.